Find or read reviews that people are talking about Ktaxon 3-in-1 folding exercise bike, foldable stationary bike with arm workout, backrest and cushy seat. 8 levels of magnetic resistance portable indoor fitness bikes for men and women. Why you choose Ktaxon 3-in-1 folding exercise bike. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. This home exercise bike has 3 folding functions, which can support sitting, horizontal riding, and folding storage that doesn't take up any space. In addition, it can be used conveniently at any time without plugging in. Allows you to exercise anywhere at the home, office, and more. The backrest and armrest design of the fitness bike brings you a more comfortable exercise experience. Moreover, the 7-level height adjustable comfortable seat and the large load capacity of 220 pounds can meet all your needs. It features multifunctional fitness pull bands, which can help you exercise your arms and relax the muscles in your body. You can change the resistance of the rope by changing the angle of stretching, which is suitable for all kinds of people. The adjustment knob adopts an ergonomic curve design, which makes the fit between your fingers and the knob stronger, allowing you to adjust the resistance more accurately. Among them, 1 to 6 gears are leisure sports intensity and 7 to 8 gears are competitive sports intensity. With a simple structure, it is easy to install. Our goal is to provide our customers with a good shopping experience. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.